morning to each one of you gathered here. And we are at the most beautiful part of this year, the Christmas season. And once again, Western Institute of Technology and Divine Word Charitable Trust is with you this year to celebrate the joy of Christmas. And Christmas brings along with it lot of happiness, joy, fun, and excitement. And we, Western Institute of Technology, is here with loads of entertainment and fun for you, dear children. We are always like to be with you, celebrate Christmas with you. And that is why we are once again here to be a part of this beautiful celebration here amidst you all. And what a beautiful cordial reception we had when we entered the Sanidhya Residential School. Dear Administrator Vasant Kumar Shetty, the staffs, faculties, all the children greeting us so well and with all the sweets, kuspas of Christmas. And we are all so much delighted to be with you, dear children. You are so much special for us. And Western Institute of Technology loves you a lot. And that is why we are here once again with Christmas treat for you. And this day we shall begin with some games for you, dear children. And we have the whole team of Western Institute of Technology. And we have our dear Prima and Christopher who will be now leading you to the world of games, dear children, and enjoy the Christmas celebration here.
How are you all? You all know why we have come here? Okay, we are going to spend our day with you all, making you all play, dance, sing, everything. Okay, you all going to enjoy the whole day today. Okay, so we begin with our first game. Okay, shall we have the game of bombing the city? Do you all know how we play this game? Okay, so we start with the bombing the city today. Can all of you, 4 people wearing white shirt will be standing over here with the places Mumbai, Mangalore, Delhi and Chennai. Okay, 4 people will be standing over here. When there will be music, you all have to turn around. Listen to me. All of you all will be turning around. When the band stops, this is Mangalore, this is Chennai, this is Mumbai, and that is Delhi. So Mangalore, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi. Okay? So we'll start the game. We'll have a trial and then we'll start with the game. Okay? Okay. Band please. So go to each one place. All of you all go to one place and stand. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay. So we remove the chit. So bombing which city now? Mumbai. So the students in Mumbai will be out. But now this is a trial game. So we do it again. Okay, it's a trial game now. It's a trial game. Yeah. Run. Okay. Are you all ready? Okay. So we bomb the second city now.